Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download the Truist mobile banking app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the Truist mobile banking app needs to be downloaded in form of APK version. For this, you need to tap on your Google search engine and type in the URL www.apkmirror.com/apk/truist-financial-corporation, which will then lead you to this interface. Now all you need to do is simply scroll down below and tap on the download option next to the download Truist mobile. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this interface. So you need to simply scroll down below where you can find the option called download APK. Simply tap on download APK, and after you do so, your Truist mobile banking app will start to get downloaded in your mobile phone. So as it starts to get downloaded, you need to tap on the download option, and then after the file has been completely downloaded, you need to now tap on open. After you do so, you need to go to the settings and allow permission to download or install app from Chrome. After this process is also done, you can simply tap on the install button. So once the installing process is completely over, you can simply open your mobile banking app from there, or you can simply come in your home screen and open it from there as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.